Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes light and fluffy. Achieving truly fluffy pancakes starts with understanding a few key principles. First, always gather fresh ingredients. This makes a significant difference in the final product. We will begin by separating our wet and dry ingredients, which is a crucial step for proper mixing. Remember, the goal is a tender pancake, not a tough one, so gentle handling is essential throughout the process. The secret to that incredible lift lies in your leavening agents. Baking powder and baking soda are your best friends here, creating those wonderful air bubbles. A good rule of thumb is to use about 2 teaspoons of baking powder for every 1 cup of all-purpose flour. If you are using buttermilk, it reacts beautifully with baking soda, giving your pancakes an extra boost of fluffiness and a delightful tang. These ingredients work together to create a light, airy texture. Now let's talk about mixing, which is perhaps the most critical step. You want to combine your wet and dry ingredients until they are just moistened. It is perfectly normal and even desirable to have a few small lumps in your batter. Resist the urge to whisk until it is perfectly smooth. Overmixing develops the gluten in the flour, which will result in tough, chewy pancakes instead of the light, airy ones we are aiming for. Be gentle and quick. After mixing, give your batter a little break. Letting it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes allows the gluten to relax and the leavening agents to fully activate, leading to an even fluffier pancake. When cooking, use a medium-hot griddle. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You will know it is time to flip when you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges appear set. Enjoy your perfectly fluffy pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.